Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Xbox controller on Geforce Now. If you have an official Xbox controller, you'll be able to use it either by a cable or a wired connection or wirelessly to play any game that has controller support on GeForce. Now keep in mind that the game needs to support the controller, and as long as it has native controller support, you will be good to go. So first, go over to the website or the app for GeForce Now. I recommend that you go ahead and connect your controller to your PC before you actually starting any games. One other thing that I want to showcase is that if you go over to the official GeForce Now website, in here they have a list of all the gamepads that are officially supported by the system, and in here they list all the Microsoft Xbox wireless controllers using the Xbox wireless adapter, Bluetooth or USB. They also support Microsoft Xbox 360 connected wireless using a USB adapter or USB. So for most Xbox controllers, you'll be covered and you'll be able to use them without any issue. So once you are in a launcher or on the website ready to play and the controller has been connected, you should be able to just open any game and start playing. If it doesn't work, that I recommend is that you right click the Windows icon, go over to device manager, and in here you'll be able to find your controller. Just find where the option is located, and if you see it here, it means that it's working. If you find it here but it's still not working, it can mean that the game does not have controller support, or you need to update the drivers. So right click the controller and then update driver. If it doesn't work, you can try uninstalling the device instead and charging the USB port on your computer. If the game is not supported of controllers at all, then regardless of what you do, this isn't going to work. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.